And we would like to request our barangay councils to please come forward para sa paghatag sa mga certifications and prizes. Okay, so our queens are ready na ba? Ready! So let's have in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Okay, Mark, we stop every. Yeah, so everybody has his own choice, no? So daghan kayo choices at mga audience karong gabi una. So kinsa ka sa atong tulo ka mga queens, no? Ang ato ang Tuloy Festival Queen!